Dirk made it home free. Chapter 51. The glamour experiments on the space station at Columbus centered on the manufacture of exotic medicines, the growth of pure crystals for computer semiconductor chips, and gamma-ray observation. But the bread-and-butter activity of the 40-ton settlement on the fringe of the last frontier was the repair and service of satellites. Jack Sherman, commander of the station, was in a cylinder-shaped maintenance module helping a team of engineers jockey a satellite into a repair cradle when a voice came through the central speaker. "You available, Jack?" "I'm here." "Can you come to the command module?" "What's up?" "We've got some joker breaking into our communications channel." "Pipe it down here." "Better you should come up." "Give me a couple of minutes." The satellite secured and the airlock closed. Sherman peeled off his pressure suit and slipped his boots into a pair of slotted rails. Then he walked in a sliding motion through the weightless environment to the brain center of the station. His chief communications and electronics engineer simply nodded at his approach. "Listen to this." He spoke into a microphone mounted in a control panel. "Please identify yourself again."